Most students are completely broke. You know the feeling, right? Your loan drops, and for about 72 hours, you are the king of the world. But then you open your banking app and wonder where all the money went. That little wave of panic that creeps in when there are 2 weeks until the next loan payment and your account is dangerously close to zero. But what if I told you it's not your fault? Seriously, there's nothing wrong with you. School taught you about the Pythagorean theorem, photosynthesis, and grammar you never use. But the one thing you actually need every single day for the rest of your life? How to handle money? They conveniently forgot that part. But we're going to fix that. Right here, right now. Because in this video, you won't get boring advice like, just stop spending money. No, we are diving deep into the secret, but ridiculously simple, budget hacks that give you back control. These are the methods that let you live well, eat well, and yes, even go out with friends, without that constant, nagging money stress in the back of your mind. Ready? Let's go. Before we jump in, let's be honest. Student life is a financial minefield. Rent alone eats a giant chunk of your loan. Then you have power bills doing their own wild dance and textbooks that cost more than a small gold bar. At the same time, you're living in a constant social tornado. Everyone is going to the new cafe, that concert, that weekend trip. The fear of missing out is real, and it is expensive. You just sit there watching the money disappear. $5 for a coffee here, 15 for lunch at the cafeteria there. Each little payment feels harmless, but together they become a tidal wave that knocks out your budget. The problem isn't that you're bad with money. The problem is that no one gave you the system, no one gave you the tools. It's like trying to navigate an economic storm without a map. But starting today, you get a new map, one that actually works. Hack number 1, the brutal truth, the money mirror. Okay, the first hack is brutal, but it's the most important. We call it the money mirror. You have to force yourself to see exactly where your money went. Don't guess. No. Here's what you're going to do. And I mean you're going to do it now. Pause the video if you have to. Open your banking app. Download your statement for the last 90 days. Yep, 3 months. Get it into a spreadsheet or just print it out. Grab 3 highlighters, 1 green, 1 yellow, and 1 red. Now for the scary fun part. Go through every single transaction. Green. Mark all fixed necessary expenses. Rent, electricity, phone, and groceries. Red. Be brutally honest. Mark everything that was pure waste or an impulse buy. The coffee on the way to class, the expensive lunch because you didn't feel like making a sandwich, the new shoes that look suspiciously like the ones you already had. Yellow. Mark everything in between. The nice-to-have things. The movies, a dinner out, that new sweater that was on sale after all. When you're done, look at the sheet. Most people are shocked when they see how much red there is. That daily $5 coffee, that's $100 a month, almost $1,200 a year. That's a vacation. That's a new laptop. Seeing it in black and white like this is the first powerful step, because now you can't lie to yourself anymore. You know exactly where the leaks are in your boat. Hack number 2, pay yourself first, the student version. You've probably heard the advice, pay yourself first, usually about retirement savings. It's good advice, but for students, we have to tweak it. I call it secure the base first. The day your loan comes in, before you buy a single coffee, before you even think about the weekend, you do this, pay your rent immediately. Don't wait for the due date. Just get it out of your life. Transfer money to a separate bills account to cover everything else you know is coming. Electricity, phone, internet, gym. Transfer money to savings, even if it's only $20. The habit is what matters. The money that's left in your checking account now, that's what you actually have to live on. This removes so much stress. You never have to wonder if you have enough for rent at the end of the month, because it's already paid. Your base is secure. It's an insane psychological relief that frees up your mind to focus on studying and having fun. Hack number 3, the Anti-FOMO account. Okay, on to the biggest problem, your social life. You don't want to be the boring friend who always says no. The solution isn't to become a caveman. The solution is the Anti-FOMO account. This is a separate account, maybe with its own card, that you call Fun, Yes Money, or whatever you want. Every month after you secure your base, you transfer a fixed, realistic amount here. Maybe $50, maybe $100. This is money you are allowed to spend on whatever you want without a single second of guilt. Spontaneous beers with the crew? Yep, use the Anti-FOMO card. Movies? Yes. Concert? Yes. The magic here is twofold. First, you have a clear limit. When the account is empty, it's empty. Then you have to get creative and suggest free alternatives like a movie night or a trip to the park. Second, and this is the most important part, it removes the guilt. You're no longer spending money you maybe should have used for food. You're using money that was set aside for exactly this. It gives you an incredible feeling of freedom. If you've had any aha moments already, do me a favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel and tells me I should make more of this. And please subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Hack number 4, supermarket psychology, how you beat the store. Food is one of the biggest, sneakiest expenses, and grocery stores are designed to trick you into spending as much as possible. But you can beat them at their own game. Here's the strategy. Plan your weekly menu. It's less boring than it sounds. See what you have. Half a bag of lentils and a can of tomatoes? Then one of your dinners is lentil soup. Build the menu around things you can use multiple times. If you buy a big bag of potatoes, you can have them in a stew one day, and as oven-baked wedges another. Shop once a week. Never, ever, ever go for small shopping trips when you're hungry on the way home. That's a recipe for expensive pre-made food and unnecessary snacks. Stick to the one planned trip. Look at the price per pound, kilo, not the item price. This is the trick that really works. A huge bag of oatmeal might look more expensive than a fancy box of cereal, but check the price per pound. It's often less than half. The same goes for rice, pasta, and large packs of ground meat you can divide and freeze. Use flyer apps. Apps like Flip collect weekly ads from all the major chains. Plan your shopping trip around where you can get the best deals on what you actually need. Add some meat-free days. Swapping meat for beans, lentils, or veggies a couple of days a week is not just good for the planet. It's extremely good for your wallet. If you follow these rules, you can easily cut your food budget by hundreds of dollars every single month. Hack number 5, the Free Stuff Hunter's Survival Guide. As a student, you have a superpower, your student ID. Use it. Always ask, do you have a student discount? You'll be amazed how many places do, from clothing stores and barbers to restaurants and electronics. Services like Student Beans and Unidays collect many of these deals for you. But it doesn't stop there. Your campus is a goldmine of free stuff, free or super cheap gyms, free courses, free software, and most importantly, student events. Pay attention. There's often free food involved, like pizza at a career day or waffles at a club meeting. This isn't just saving money, it's a genius way to be social and network. Also, check out apps like Too Good To Go, where you can rescue food from stores and cafes for next to nothing. Hack number 6, the I Want It virus and the 7-day cure. The last hack is about taming your impulse buys. The world is constantly screaming, "Buy me," at us from all directions. Online stores, social media, ads. It's easy to get infected by the I Want It virus. Here's the cure, the 7-day rule. The next time you get an intense urge for something you don't have to have, new headphones, a jacket, a game, don't buy it. Put it in your online shopping cart or write it down. Then wait for 7 whole days. During that week, one of 2 things will happen. Either you'll have almost forgotten about the whole thing, which proves you didn't really need it. Or if you're still thinking about it after 7 days and you see that you have room for it in your budget, then you can consider it. Trust me, 9 times out of 10, the urge disappears. This little pause between impulse and action can save you thousands of dollars. There you have it. 6 simple but powerful hacks that schools should have taught you. From the money mirror that forces you to see the truth, to the Anti-FOMO account that saves your social life. Now I want to hear from you. What is your best, weirdest, or smartest money-saving tip as a student? Share it in the comments below. Let's help each other out and create the ultimate survival guide together. Remember, budgeting isn't about saying no to everything fun. It's not about living on ramen noodles. It's about making smart choices so you can say yes to what actually matters. It's about being the boss of your money instead of letting your money be the boss of you. It's about trading stress for a feeling of control and freedom. You are in complete control. This is Growth Minded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.